Today we'll talk about how can you choose who can download your videos and or photos on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings down here, and just click on it. So then it's going to take you to it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on configure album. This is, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on download permissions here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you choose who can download your photos and videos here, if you want to add everyone or admins only. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking